How's it going, everybody? Justin Savage here, MarineMax Venice, standing aboard a 2024 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. If you're someone that likes to go on the big water, do some nice offshore fishing, this boat's going to cater to you very well. This one outfitted with twin Mercury 300 Verados. Working your way in, you'll notice big, spacious area. If you're out there throwing a line, battling a fish, something big enough where you need a dive door to pull it on board, nice open door right there. Large live well right on the rear here for all your baits. And then also port and starboard side, you have large fish boxes. Show you the capacity of that. Load that up with ice, load it up with your catch of the day, keeping it all fresh. Nice big area if you need a countertop to mess with anything. It's also freshwater sink. Throw some ice, keep some of the snacks that you have for the day nice and cool. You do have a Yeti cooler that locks in down there for all your drinks, sandwiches, stuff like that. Working your way up to the helm. Super comfortable. Helm chairs that lock you in if you are getting into that choppy water. You're kind of held in place here. Twin Simrad displays. All your buttons and everything have their designated names, so there's no confusion on what you're flipping and if you need to flip it. I touched base on the 300 Verados that is joystick capable, so that's a great feature, and for many reasons. A lot of people look at this as just a docking feature, which it does assist with that very well. Drive the boat sideways, it's pretty much like a video game, but there's so much more that's actually incorporated in this. So if you are offshore running up the coast, there's a heading feature that'll just hold your track. You don't really need to worry about throttle or steering. The boat kind of autopilots for you. You also have waypoints, so if you are out there and say you have a fishing spot that you like to run an oval in, you can breadcrumb that and the boat will follow that, so you can do a bunch of trolling and things like that. And then you also have a skyhook feature, so if you're stuck in an area where you need to hold your spot, whether it be a bridge or you are fighting a fish and you don't want to be drifting in the current or the wind, you hit that skyhook feature, which is essentially a GPS anchor to hold you in place while you get it done on the back. Pretty simplistic under here, nice hard top, radio, glove boxes, things like that to keep your stuff high and dry for anything that you need to keep under storage. Working our way up here. Let me come around to you here. This also has a pretty large head area. So if you need to get out of the sun, or you have, to take that number 2 while you're out on the water, there you go, jump right in. Plenty of headspace. I'm 5'11" and I can fit in there just fine. As we work our way up, I touch base on fishing. This is a great family boat too. Huge lounge on the front here for the wife and kids, or if you just want to kick back and catch some sun yourself. And there's also a ton of storage underneath this. So buckets, all your rod storage that feeds right in there. So if you are, staying the night somewhere, you can lock this up and all your gear is kept away from theft. Tons of space here sitting down as well. You do have a teak table that locks in right here. So if you are catching a meal, if it's one of those days where you're not fishing and you just want to be out on the water, sandbar or whatnot, you have that area here to do that. Nice deep bow. You feel very comfortable. Lots to grab onto if you do catch yourself in some choppy water. Great all-around boat for family fishing, things like that. As I'm sitting here on the bow, you can see tons of room, nice spot to hang out, catch some sun. If you want to learn more about the boat, come on and see me. Again, my name is Justin Savage here at MarineMax Venice. Love to go through it with you.